At our sports driver training days at Morgan Park Raceway, you can lap the track in our Hyundai Excel Cup car, which is race prepared with roll cage, race seat, race harness, semi-racing slicks and modified suspension. At a recent event, one of the car hirers had a spin in a very high-speed part of the track. Let's look at the onboard camera vision and see what we can learn. Firstly, it should be highlighted that a spin in a Hyundai Excel at 137 kilometers an hour is best to happen on a race circuit, with correctly inflated tyres on a flat track with no oncoming traffic. There was no further incident. How it happened can be seen by looking at the friction circle as we slow down the vision. The driver's having a red-hot go. He turns in just a moment early, the car enters into understeer, he lifts from the accelerator, and that transitions weight from the back tyres to the front tyres, and at that moment the vehicle enters into a spin. Had he continued with the understeer, he might have gone to the outside of the circuit, entered onto the dirt, and had a high-speed frontal crash into the outside wall.